Good day, my love, and welcome to this weekend prayer of gratitude, appreciating the week you just had and bringing that positive energy into the next week. So close your beautiful eyes and take a deep breath. So breathe in relaxation and breathe out stress and tension from your body and mind. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Inviting healing energy into your body as you breathe in and release negativity as you breathe out. Now simply listen to this prayer of gratitude as you let the words reach your heart. So just relax and simply listen. Thank you. Thank you for this amazing week I have had. Thank you for all of the beautiful moments that has filled my week. Thank you for the many times I have laughed. And thank you for the many people I have met. Thank you for the opportunities I have had throughout my week. And thank you for the great memories I will cherish for the rest of my life. Thank you for all of the love that has filled each day of my week. The love from my family, the love from my friends, and the love from my amazing partner. I feel so blessed to have so many amazing people in my life. I feel blessed to have love around me. And I feel blessed to have people I can always count on. They fill my days with joy. And they make my life beautiful. So thank you. Thank you for these amazing people. Thank you for all of the great things I have learned this week. I have developed and I have grown. I have been working on my dreams and goals. And I have been productive and motivated. I have seen results from my hard work. And I know I can manifest my dream life. So thank you. Thank you for this wonderful week. I feel excited for the next week. I choose to wake up each morning with a positive mindset, expecting great things to happen, and expecting each day to be an amazing day. I will give it my all. I will be present, and I will enjoy each moment. I can't wait to see what amazing experiences I'm going to have. I can't wait to see what amazing people I'm going to meet. And I can't wait to experience all of the love I know the next week has in store for me. So I feel so blessed to have another beautiful week. So thank you. Thank you for my extraordinary life. Thank you for all of the moments that make me feel joyful and happy. And thank you for opening my eyes so that I am able to see all of the beauty that is all around me. So I am ready for another week, feeling inspired and feeling motivated. Then take a deep breath and then slowly and gently open your eyes. Now you have showed gratitude for the week, ready for another beautiful week, going into the next week with a positive mindset and a positive attitude. Now to help you feel inspired and motivated to work on your big dreams and goals, watch this next video on how you can manifest your dream life. Namaste.